Look at that.
Cardi!
When you basically have to move a house in order to go kayaking with your family.
Okay.
Bye, Care!
Emmy!
That didn't sound good.
Her reverse is bad.
Hola.
Hola. Happy birthday yesterday.
Hola.
Are you going kayaking?
Today's still my birthday, Mom. I'm gonna sip the way. I have this whole week.
I'm gonna go ahead.
I am going to go so excited. I'm going to go so excited. What did I just say?
You're gonna go straight to the wave.
No, we're going down to Two Rivers.
I know. I was gonna run ahead and meet you guys at the wave.
Well, we have to drop this off, don't we?
Why are we going to Two Rivers?
Yeah.
Oh, you just caught.
Yes, baby, you're gonna freeze. Emmy, let me put this in perspective. The water is snow melt. It's like swimming in snow. Yes. You're wearing a dry suit and your fleece.
Mom, look, I'm giving Kenny Dasha. Best birthday present ever.
What? What's going on here? Are you a class?
Dad makes friends with everyone he sees. I paid $10 in 10 minutes. He's even talking to that guy.
Okay. Who's that? Austin who? Oh, he's the photographer. Gonna get ready?
Nope.
Let's go.
I mean the Reese's.
I'm kind of scared.
Gotta grab your paddle.
Whatever.
Look how big it is. Oh my gosh. The whole way over there, you know where the big hole is?
Yep.
Over there, the hole looks good for Emmy and them.
Yeah, I know. The hold on river right.
No.
The wave on that side. It looks like a nice little wave, right? If you're going down the river, Ratty, look at me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're standing looking this
I mean,
way.
when you're like this, when you're like
Surfing?
Yeah.
That's left, yeah. That's surfers left. When you're running the river, it's called rivers right. River right.
It looks pretty good for Emmy.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Like spins. Emmy can get spin real well.
Yeah.
I forgot my swimsuit. These are so
Elly, you will stay in the water.
It's more comfortable now. Where would you go?
I should have brought my other thing just in case not wearing a fleece.
Let her wear that's just on the net.
Was it cold?
No.
Oh, you lie!
It was actually not that cold.
I think you're a polar bear.
You know what I realized though, Mom?
What?
I've had this fleece my whole time kayaking. Emmy! Sick.
What is it? Is it an IR or a Coke
Dad even had this when he was like 8.
An IR. That, hold on, hold that up there. That says a lot about IR.
Both are going down.
It also says a lot that you haven't lost it.
Toby, you excited to go kayaking? Yeah. Are you scared?
Kenny, what are you wearing?
A boofaloo.
A what?
Custom boofaloo.
Nice.
Check it out.
USA all the way.
Oh yeah.
Mom,
Changing it.
See that? That.
I don't think I'm on fit.
Yeah, good job destroying your gasket.
Mommy, can you help?
You did a really good job on that.
Mommy,
Huh?
can you help?
Yes.
Right on my butt.
Ouch.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Gosh. Hey, Dad, can you help me? Mom.
Wow, you go
Dally,
high.
Tuck like this. Dally, tuck like this.
Guys, that hurts so bad.
You okay?
Yeah.
Did you hurt your tailbone?
Yeah.
One more.
You overdo it too?
Yeah.
Gotta start drinking on the champagne. You're doing it.
Yay. Oh.
Ready?
Man, Cardi just walks over. He doesn't even like prepare. He just walks over, turns around, backflips.
We should film that over there.
Guys. My ankles are killing me now.
There we go.
Lady bad like that.
Kenny?
Look at Elly.
Oh my gosh. Look at Kobe.
Was that one?
Hang on, Kobe's gonna do that.
Was that one?
Kobe, come here.
That did something right.
I'm on the gravel. That's cement.
Ready? Yes, one try. One.
Did you take this out of your bowl? Ready? Wait, one more time.
Don't push. Just your chest. Get ready. There she goes. Go, Emmy. Yeah. The river's finally rising. I think the level down here at Glenwood Wave is 3,500, which is a really good wave. We've got the entire river from over here all the way over. Every bit has a cool feature. Katie just flew. Yee-hoo! Trying to get that McNasty. That was sweet. That 4.0 gives you such major pop, you go flying in the air. It looks like a lot of fun. I gotta get in her boat and try it out. There goes Ems again. Uh-oh. See, can she roll? Yahoo! Woohoo! All right, let's watch Katie. See if she gets another huge loop. Look at that. And that's Dan, Elly, and Maddie. They just ferried across the river because Ellie's gonna try the down the river right wave again. She surfed it yesterday, got a combat roll, hoping for the same thing. Yoo-hoo! So that's Dan. He's going back to get Kobe. Yes. And help Kobe go across the river. Let's see what Rowdy can throw. Katie. And there they go, across the river. Good job, Kobe. I think Cardi's on a sup somewhere. Yep, there he is. He's on a Shaboomy sup. Say yes to adventure. Whoop. Is it cold? Kobe's following Maddie, followed by Dan. I guess Ellie's gonna wait this one out. Come on, Kobe, you got this, baby. You got this. Yee-hoo! Yeah, Kobe! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! It's a lot to ask of these little guys to get rid of so much fear that they have. Here comes Elly. Look at her go. Full send here. Yahoo! Almost. There she goes again. Oops. Oh no. A swim! Woo! Every single one of the members of the Kellogg Show family have swam in this wave, and now Elly has. She is officially the 13th person to swim at this wave, this exact one. So that is one heck of a feat. Super stoked. I couldn't get that combat roll on film that she did yesterday, but there's a lot of these swims in between every combat roll when you're first learning. And so, and everybody knows if you haven't swum in a while, you're like what they say between raft flips. You know, you're in between flips. We're all in between swims. It's pretty cool though. Super psyched. She tried it like 3 times. Hey, you want to know the coolest thing ever? You are officially the 13th member of our family to swim at that exact wave. Every single one of us has swam there, and now you did it. Give me 5. Super proud of you, and you tried 3 rolls.
And my paddle's like that. I think
Yeah, you have to remember when you go to do a second one to set up, and don't forget to flip your wrists. Party, where's Dad?
He paddled up.
yeah.
Oh.
This stuff's popped. This stuff popped.
Oh no, how? Here, bring me Elly's boat and I'll carry it. I know. I was just about to say I don't have shoes, but neither do you. Hold on, don't go anywhere, Elly.